Hi, Rita. How are you? Welcome.
Hi, Rita. How are you?
So that's
Class,
Sunil.
Saudhan,
Fine.
Sunil
Good,
आ रहे
good.
हैं.
How are you all?
वेलकम
Great.
वेलकम डीजी सुनील जी आपका
Welcome, Sunil bhai.
Welcome, Sunil ji. How are you?
कैमरा बंद है लगता है उनका.
नहीं कैमरा चालू
देखो,
है
पहले
उनका
जब हाँ हो गया चालू.
Welcome, Sunil bhai.
Hi everybody, how are you doing?
Great.
Hey, Mo, welcome.
Great.
So how many presidents here? 3.
Welcome, Sunil ji.
Me and Singla sir.
Fine, fine. How are you?
Rajesh bhai was also supposed to join.
He's not joining?
पहले मैसेज आया कि उनके डैड की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है तो he may join or he may not.
Okay.
Hi Swati.
Hi,
Hi.
Swati. Hi,
Hi
Swati.
Minnie.
Hello
Welcome, Swati.
Sunil.
How are you all?
एनीवन फ्रॉम
Hello, Swati.
शिल्पी को बुलाओ.
Hi.
शिल्पी को.
Minnie, you shocked me this evening. I said, तेरे meeting में कैसे था मैं? Then I realized it's joint meeting.
Hi, Savita.
Hi, Swati. How are you?
किधर है शिल्पी?
Good,
Hi,
good.
Swati.
Shilpi is on a
Long
different
time, yaar.
meeting.
Hi. Yes, I know.
Feeling so bad, yaar. We need to meet. Minnie, we need to meet.
चलो वर्चुअल हक दे दो एक दूसरे को.
एनीवन फ्रॉम रोटरी क्लब
हाँ,
ऑफ
निकलो अभी.
बांद्रा.
Singla, Bandra is also joining.
Yeah, Bandra. Mumbai Bandra is also joining. 4 clubs today.
अच्छा.
Bandra का नाम नहीं है.
Four club.
है ना?
बांद्रा का नाम है आज का.
Hi, Aparna.
हाय बोला तेरे को.
अभी एक देख रही हूँ कौन है फिर धीरे धीरे.
Good evening Captain.
हेलो गुड इवनिंग नमस्कार.
Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग कैप्टन जी.
कैसे हो सब लोग?
Good evening, Captain
बस
ji.
बढ़िया
How
है.
are you?
Good
नमस्कार.
evening, Captain sir.
वेलकम योगेश भाई हमारे.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Hello, Rita.
गुड इवनिंग.
Hello, योगेश जी कैसे हो?
तो सिंगला जी नमस्कार. सिंगला जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार अग्रवाल जी कैसे हैं?
बस ठीक है. आप सुनाइए कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया है. वेलकम.
वेरी गुड. नाइस टू सी यू. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको देख के.
थैंक यू सर. वेलकम
अरे
फर्स्ट
वो
लेडी
हंसी हुई
शिल्पी
शक्ल देख के सब खुश हो जाते हैं.
हाय पापा जी तुम भी आ गए. वेरी गुड.
क्या चल है सब जी?
राधिका जी वेलकम. आई थिंक
राधिका आप अनम्यूट करो.
Shilpi ji, welcome.
shall we start the meeting?
Names of all clubs. नहीं, एक मिनट रुक जाओ. मैंने खाली दिखा दिया है कि क्लब्स कौन से हैं.
Bombay Bandra.
So just for everybody, you all can read कौन से clubs हैं. So we have Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar, Rotary Club of Mumbai Bullet South, Rotary Club of Fulham, Rotary Club of Bombay Bandra. Welcome all of you all.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ईगल मनप्रीत क्या हाल चाल है तेरा?
एकदम बढ़िया.
वेरी गुड मनप्रीत.
It is 8:04, we will start the meeting.
Hi
After-
Shilpi.
After 1 minute we will start the meeting. Shilpi ji welcome.
Camera on. हाँ.
शिल्पी जी नमस्कार.
शिल्पी म्यूट हो गई.
शिल्पी जी म्यूट हो गए.
वो बाजू में से कुछ बोल रहे होंगे ना.
अच्छा. बिल्कुल
सब पता है मनप्रीत को.
Hi, how are you?
नमस्कार शिल्पी जी. ओम साई राम.
I'm doing something. I'm not going to deal with my pants second. I've asked boys for that. Maybe your mom Poochie is not wearing my pants or not taking.
नमस्कार सर. प्रियंका जी नमस्कार.
Good evening, sir. Good
अरे
evening.
वाह.
कैसे हो प्रियंका जी?
Welcome मेजर.
See you again.
Good
इसको
evening,
याद
Priyanka
करने
ji.
दो.
Nice. Good evening, everyone.
Hi,
Good evening.
Priyanka.
Hi
Hi, good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
Good, ma'am. Thank you.
Good.
Sir.
Good to see you. Good to see you after a long time.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, Ji. Good evening, Shilpi, ma'am. Good evening, Manika ji.
Good evening, Priyanka.
Good evening, Ramesh sir.
हेलो हेलो रामकृष्णा जी कैसे हो?
Good evening. Thank you, sir.
Fine, very nice to see you.
Very fine.
Has our guest of this evening joined us?
नमस्कार सर जी.
She will be joining around 8:50. Sir.
तो मैं तो
सुनील जी
miss कर लूंगा।
नमस्कार. सुनील जी
अब मुझे पता है
नमस्कार.
आप इसी को देखने आए हो.
नमस्कार.
अशोक क्या हाल है?
बस ठीक टू सुनाओ सर.
जी नमस्कार.
Good evening.
So, good evening, friends. Today we have a joint meeting of four clubs: Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar, Rotary Club of Mulund, Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South, and Rotary Club of Bombay Bandra. So I welcome all. Now I call this meeting to order. Please rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, friends. Now I invite my co-president Siddharth Daftari to read the four-way test.
Thank you, Singla sir.
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
Friends, request you to please recite after me. The four-way test of the things we think, say, and do. Is it the truth?
Is it the truth?
Is it fair to all concerned?
Is it fair to all concerned?
Will it build goodwill and better friendship?
Will it build goodwill and better friendship?
Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Siddharth ji,
Thank you very
for reading four-way test. Now I formally welcome co-president Rotarian Rajesh Agarwal, who is unable to join because of his father's health. So I welcome his club members and club secretary. I also welcome co-president Rotarian Siddharth Daftari along with his full team of members and all the invitees. I invite co-president Ramdas Maikar of Rotary Club of Mumbai Bandra. I welcome our today's guest speaker. She will be joining little late. Miss India 2013, Miss Simran Ahuja. I also welcome our district secretary Ashok Singh ji, First Lady Shilpi Mehra ji, our DG Sunil Mehra ji, Captain Ashok ji, and all the members of all the four clubs, along with spouses, Rotractor, and guests present here. So I welcome to joint meeting of further club. There is one sad news happened last week in our club. Our past president, Rotarian Hitesh Bilakhia, passed away on 28th of October. We pray God for his soul to be rest in peace. He was a very active and very jolly Rotarian. But at very young age, he has left this world between amongst us. So we pray for his soul to be in rest in peace. So our today's chief guest is Rotarian DG Sunil Mehra ji and First Lady Shilpi ji. Now I invite Meenakshi Khosla ji to introduce our today's chief guest.
Singhaji, if it's okay, you can carry on with some other activity because let's wait for our guest to come in. Because I was going to talk about her. कुछ भी और कर लो. कुछ है एजेंडा में कि नहीं?
एजेंडा में हमारा इसका एक देयर इज वन रोटेरियन इन आवर क्लब, जस्ट उसके बारे में थोड़ा मुझे कहना है.
Go ahead.
मनप्रीत, तो प्रभात कोहली का जरा स्लाइड मनप्रीत जरा प्लीज शेयर करना. वी वेलकम आवर रोटेरियन मिस्टर प्रभात कोहली. उसके बारे में अभी बहुत सी उपलब्धियां हैं, लेकिन मैं सब तो नहीं है, लेकिन मनप्रीत विल रीड सम ऑफ हिज अचीवमेंट्स. मनप्रीत प्लीज सी, और कैन यू फोकस ऑन प्रभात कोहली?
1 second. I think उनका वीडियो ऑफ है. प्रभात जी,
हेलो, मेरा वीडियो ऑन ही है. मैं वापस स्टार्ट करता हूँ जस्ट इन केस अभी हुआ.
I can see.
जस्ट रीड मनप्रीत, जरा वो रीड करना प्रभात कोहली का.
हाँ जी, मैं उनको जरा स्पॉटलाइट में भी कर देता. Today we are joined by our very own honorary Rotarian, Prabhat Kohli ji, and some of his achievements are, very making every Indian proud. So he has received the highest national adventure award, the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award for Water Adventure by Honorable President of India. On the previous slide, you must have seen he was being awarded by the President of India. He has also won Maharashtra's most prestigious Shiv Chhatrapati Award for his achievements in swimming. His name is included in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the youngest person to swim the Irish Channel. He is also the first Indian to win the gold medal in open water swimming in South Africa. Not only that, he has 5 records edited in the Limca Book of National Records for achievements in open water swimming. He is also the youngest person in the world to complete 6 oceans out of the 7 Oceans Challenge. He is the youngest male swimmer to swim around the Cape of Good Hope, South Africa. He is the youngest Asian to achieve Triple Crown of open water and recognized by the World Open Water Swimming Association. The youngest and the fastest Asian to swim Molokai Channel in Hawaii, USA. He is also the youngest in the world and the fastest Asian to swim the Tsugaru Channel in Japan. It's not only these achievements that we have listed out, but these are the top 10 achievements. His total achievements when it comes to swimming are 4 pages long, and it is really a proud moment for every Indian that has been showcased for the world, and he carries our national flag and national emblem wherever he goes. I shall share one slide in which we can see him. Just give me a minute. I hope all can see this. Prabhat ji, can you just tell us something about these pictures?
This the picture with the flag and the lady sitting beside me is Sally Minty Gravett. She is an legendary open water swimmer from UK, and she swam the English Channel around 7 times. And at the age of 59, she swam it twice, in total 36 hours of swimming, which includes. So she always comes on my boat as a chief crewmate, like my grandmother. That's kind of bonding we share. And this picture was taken on Irish Channel when I was heading back towards the harbor when I finished the swim. This swim was totally iconic and very tough to swim actually. It is rated amongst all the Ocean 7 challenges. It is rated the toughest one because of the cold water and the jellyfish, which are maybe bigger than my size, normal human size. So it was really tough, and I must say the water temperature was around 12 to 15 degrees. So it's kind of tough. This the picture with the President of India, Honorable President of India, is while I was receiving the most highest adventure award, National Adventure Award, Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award for water adventure for the year 2019.
हेलो
Uh,
सिद्धार्थ जी वो बोल रहे हैं, हाँ बोल दीजिए आप.
and the picture on the right is with when those wasn't the CM. We met him for some swimming facility purposes. So that time we took the picture with him, and he also gave us a positive feedback for the future of open water swimming in Mumbai.
अच्छा प्रभात जी, आपका जो सबसे लंबा कंटिन्यू स्विमिंग का टाइम है वो कितना है कि और कितने किलोमीटर आपने एक साथ में स्विमिंग किया, यानी लॉन्गेस्ट ड्यूरेशन?
टाइम वाइज मैं बोलूंगा मेरा लॉन्गेस्ट ड्यूरेशन है 17 आवर्स का, 17 hours 21 minutes. That was in Hawaii, Molokai Channel, which is 48 kilometers and which comes in Ocean 7 challenges, and that is the longest in kilometers among the Ocean 7. And kilometer wise मैं बोलूंगा तो मैंने 81 kilometers in river किया है and 66 kilometers in sea. So when I swam the 66 kilometers, I became the first Indian to swim 66 kilometers in cold water abroad. No one ever has done that. So this is kind of things are there.
We are proud of you, प्रभात
Thank you.
कोहली.
Thank you, sir.
सुनील जी, एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि अपने रोटरी के लिए प्रभात जी का कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए, कहीं भी इनका यानी कोई आपको गाइडेंस चाहिए, he is always ready to help Rotary. He is very much associated with Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar, and we have his almost bonding since last 5 years.
Yes.
So Rotary के लिए प्रभात कोहली हमेशा तैयार है. किसी बच्चों को ट्रेनिंग देना है, कहीं आपको कोई ऐसा स्विमिंग के बारे में, पानी के बारे में, किसी को भी कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए, मिस्टर प्रभात कोहली इज रेडी टू हेल्प and guide us each and every time. कभी भी, anytime he is available for Rotary.
Yes,
So,
anytime.
Yeah.
Sorry.
हाँ जी.
Thank you. Thank you,
अच्छा,
sir.
मनप्रीत जी ज्वाइन किया क्या आपने आज के गेस्ट स्पीकर?
एक सेकंड, लेट मी चेक.
जरा कैन यू प्लीज कॉल हर?
Yeah.
सॉरी फ्रेंड्स, आपको वेट करना पड़ रहा है आज हमारे स्पीकर के लिए.
Simran has come.
अच्छा, चलो, वेरी गुड. मनप्रीत, सिमरन जी, वेलकम टू द मीटिंग इन Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar and other 3 clubs.
Thank you so much. Such an honor to be here. Thank you so much to everyone who's around. Absolutely my honor, and a very warm hello and a global namaste to all the beautiful Rotarians. Thank you so much.
नमस्ते, नमस्ते. हमारे सबकी तरफ से, रोटरी परिवार की तरफ से आपका स्वागत है और बहुत सारा प्यार आपको हमारा. तो अभी मैं मीनाक्षी जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आज के हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डीजी सुनील मेहरा जी और शिल्पी मेहरा जी के इंट्रोडक्शन कराएं.
इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत है
थोड़ा बहुत. हमारे गेस्ट स्पीकर को भी आपकी थोड़ी उपलब्धियों के बारे में पता लग जाएगा और हम भी थोड़ा फिर से तरोताजा हो जाएंगे.
I think she must have heard my introduction at some other Rotary event.
So I have shortened it. I have done something else.
Okay.
Meenakshi can do wonders.
No. Thank you so much. So thank you, President Shingla ji. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna.
A very warm welcome to one and all, and special welcome to DG Sunil, First Lady Shilpi, and Simran Ahuja, Miss India 2013. We are really delighted to have you amongst us. It's indeed my pleasure to introduce a very striking personality, handsome and charismatic, DG Sunil Mehra, and beautiful, gorgeous, a true woman of substance, First Lady Shilpi. DG Sunil hails from a very illustrious textile family and was born in the sacred city of Amritsar. A graduate from KC College, Sunil obtained textile diploma from Sasmira Varli and further studied at Bagu Bhai Mafatlal Villeparle. A very keen sportsman, Sunil has played cricket and badminton on a national level. Today, he is the MD of Corp Biz Private Limited. DG Sunil joined Rotary in 1998, became president in 2008 and 9. He won too many awards and served in the district in every governor's team from 2009 onwards. He has the leadership quality and capacity to translate his vision into reality through so many out-of-the-box visionary projects. Today, let's get to know Sunil a bit more closely, and I take this liberty of saying this with the permission of my friend, First Lady Shilpi. So number one, Sunil is highly romantic man who remembers all the dates, even 20 years ago or maybe more than that. He loves surprises, to give surprises and to get surprises. He's, I think, the best dressed man. We can say that Raymond's the complete man. So we have always seen him with lovely jackets, watches, shoes, perfumes, always neatly and well dressed. He's a dapper, we can say. Extremely soft-hearted, he can just cry at the drop of the hat. I think he must be sobbing through the emotional movies also. I can very well connect with that. He not only listens to music, he's very fond of music, I know that. He not only listens to music, but feels and understands the songs from the heart. And if all of you know, or maybe don't know, that he is the cute Murphy baby. No more a baby, but he is a Murphy boy. And he has no vices at all, according to Shilpi. So he is a great Rotarian, great human being, and a doting husband. Now Shilpi, I call her a superwoman, a shadow to Sunil. Tu jahan jahan chalega, mera saya saath hoga. She is handling everything. I feel we have two governors, maybe 1 and 111. She is kind, lovable, patient, and always there for everything. They are blessed with 3 children, Shraddha, Aishani, and Sukrit, and 2 grandchildren, Avika and Nirvana. Sunil says, मेरे हिस्से में समंदर नहीं तो ना सही, मेरे हिस्से में समंदर नहीं तो ना सही, पत्थर निचोड़कर बूंदे निकालने का हौसला तो है. As they say, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty can mean many different things for many different people. Let's hear from Sunil what beauty means to him. Thank you so much.
So, Mili, a big hug for that lovely introduction. Yes, somebody was saying something? Somebody said something?
नहीं मैं just thank you करना चाहता था मीनाक्षी जी का for wonderful introduction. अभी सुनील जी आपके
Thank you so much.
So maybe वही thank कर रहा हूँ सिंगला जी. Thank you for.
Thank you
Mili,
सर आपने.
तू काफी पोल खोल दिए मेरे पर तू दोस्त था तो तेरे को 100 खून माफ है.
मेरे को एक पॉइंट था जब when she said ना according to Shilpi, तो I wanted to touch on that part, फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया.
फिर से बाद में बात करता हूँ.
Officially बोला मैंने.
Thank you everybody. Visionary President Singlaji, Dr. Rajesh in absentia, Ramdas and Siddharth. Siddharth, of course, was probably the youngest president in our batch. And Sid is what we like to call him. I saw DS Ashok and the beauty of my life, my first lady, Shilpi. Our guest of this evening, Miss India 2013, Simran Ahuja ji. Certainly a pleasure to share this platform with you and congratulate you once again for the glory you have brought to our country. And I have had the pleasure of meeting you at another Rotary event. District officers, members from, of course, all 4 clubs. Many of us, if we met Miss Simran for the first time, would definitely give her a second, third, fourth look and admire the beauty. Surely would feel that way whenever we meet her, and our eyes would glow at the brilliance of her beauty. And as rightly they say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. This proverb is very relevant, especially nowadays, when all around us we see these lots of construction work going, new parks coming up, resorts, wonderful things being established. The atmosphere, thanks to COVID, is clearer, the air less polluted, but can we sustain this is the question. What may be considered beautiful by one may not be for the other. Beauty is a combination of different qualities in something, especially in sight. Beauty means different things to different people. Beauty for me is, as a person, is being the best possible version of yourself in the inside as well as the outside, because an original is always better than the copy. The most beautiful eyes are definitely those that seek beauty in others. But beauty is not something that always needs or requires to be seen by the eyes, but it can also be felt by the heart. Typically, Minnie will vouch for this. Recently, my heart lit up with a previously never felt emotion. We were at Wada at the inauguration of the Rotary Project Ashiana, where Raj Khosla is leading the project, giving houses to the Adivasis. The emotion of the elderly lady giving me that small little piece of peda was a beautiful moment for myself. Even though beauty attracts the eyes, character and personality of a person is what captures the heart. According to me, beauty is what comes from within, that reflects in our eyes. That's the beauty that is experienced by the beholder. So always look at everything with happy eyes to realize the beauty in things around you. To always have happy eyes, one must be having a clear mind and heart with a positive attitude towards everything around us. Thus, people say that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, and the most liberating and inspiring thing about this wonderful proverb is realizing that you yourself are the beholder. This is what empowers us to find beauty in different things. Let me end with a small little quote. Beauty of whatever kind, whatever nature, in its supreme development, invariably excited the sensitive soul to tears. Thank you for having me here.
थैंक यू सुनील जी, आपने बहुत अच्छे से ब्यूटी और के बारे में बता दिया, हमें भी अच्छा। मुझे तो लगा कि आप शायद आज बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट की चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन आपने जो हमारी सुबह बात हुई थी कि चलो बहुत शॉर्टकट और आज के टॉपिक पे ही बात करेंगे, तो थैंक यू वेरी मच सुनील जी। मैं शिल्पी जी से भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो भी कुछ ना कुछ आज के हमारे मिस इंडिया सिमरन जी के बारे में कुछ कहे या हमारे ऑडियंस को कुछ कहे। शिल्पी जी, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप भी थोड़ा सा कहिए हमारे सब जी।
Singla ji, that is a little unfair because you're snatching my beauty away from me.
नहीं सर, आपके नजदीक लेके आ रहा हूँ, इसीलिए साथ में
प्लान ही वही था।
तो है शिल्पी जी।
I'm not prepared at all, and I'm normally not at a loss of words. But like my very, very beautiful friend Minnie has introduced me as the shadow. तो shadows बोलती नहीं है, shadows सिर्फ चुपचाप काम करती हैं. But this shadow has had the opportunity of hearing our chief guest, our guest today, which is Simran Ahuja. If I'm not mistaken, I think you were one of our visitors at the just in the recent past, and it was lovely hearing you. And now to hear your story, which is what we've all joined here for. So thank you so much for giving me this moment. But we have a much better speaker who we are all waiting to hear. Thank you so much.
So kind of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpi ji. Thank you very much. Now I invite our club secretary, Manpreet Singh, to introduce today's guest speaker, Miss India 2013, Simran Ahuja ji. So Manpreet,
Welcome everyone. It's a great pleasure and honor to describe somebody so beautiful and somebody who's recognized for beauty. So let me do the honors. Well, Simran Ahuja is the Miss India 2013. She's an actress. She's an international celebrity anchor. She's been anchoring at the Oscars, the IFA, Filmfare, and many, many more. She's also the cultural ambassador of Folk at Paris and Dubai. She's the jury at USA at the India Fest. She's the author of the book 9 Nights Navratri, unveiled by the former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Anandiben Patel. Last week, a film, Dance Like a Goddess, released, and Diwani Garbani on Shemaru, which has already been nominated for the prestigious film festival at Dubai. A music album, Garba Gujarat, released on T-Series a week back. Not only that, she's won 18 consecutive Garba titles in India and America. She's qualified masters in finance from Sydenham's Institute of Management. And it's a great honor and pleasure, Simranji, to have you with us today. The floor is all yours. We would love to hear about your journey. Welcome to our club and Rotary.
This is absolutely an honor and a global namaste to all the beautiful souls. Manpreet, pyar, sabka apne preet se dil jeet lete hain. And of course, I must mention this beautiful, beautiful feeling I had when I had the wondrous of meeting respected Sunil Mehra ji and the very lovely First Lady Shilpi Mehra ji. I've been extremely fortunate to having had a conversation with both of you all as well. And such an honor for me. I'm truly delighted. And my humble thanks to Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar, Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South, Rotary Club of Mulund, and Rotary Club of Bombay South. My humble thanks to each and every one of you for this wondrous invite. और इतनी खूबसूरती से जो introduction था, तो बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ आप सबकी. And we're going to get started with beauty. And what a thought, especially in 2020, where we're all looking forward to being, the best versions of ourselves, as Mr. Sunil very well mentioned to all of us, that it's always the beauty that we look forward to. And of course, his very, very beautiful wife also mentioned it so well. So when we talk of beauty, the first thing which comes to our mind is aesthetic appeal. And I think that's the most important. I'm not going to lie and run behind the bushes. Yes, inner beauty is important, but that comes really much later. First and foremost is the aesthetic appeal. It's the personality of a person, the persona of a person. And as you always say, yes, beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. But nevertheless, whatever we say and we feel, your heart always speaks the truth. So I have this wondrous opportunity of speaking to all of you about the wondrous experience I had. When I decided that I would like to, try my first bit at a beauty pageant, having one at the intercollegiate level in college. I'm a Jaindite. And I must say that, I knew it's a pretty difficult path, but at the same time, I wanted to give myself that one opportunity where, I could get this wondrous platform of being my best self, of course, and having the stage to all by myself. And of course, I did try a bit with honestly, a lot of fear in mind, a lot of mixed feelings, but somewhere down the line, you need to have and showcase that confidence that, okay, I'm going to really, given my hard work, my effort, my faith, and, just pray to the Almighty for good luck, and then, surrender myself to the higher reality. And this is exactly the way I had planned, I went about. So at first, 2020 is all about compassion. It's about love. It's all about giving rather than just expecting and taking. 2020, we're all talking of not thinking about finances, but just maintaining relations. And why do we at first think of making a career? Why do we want to study to have a bright future so that we could spend time with our loved ones? It could be our parents, sibling, or if you married, then of course, your entire family, right from your husband to your kids and the likes. All we want to do in life is to make something out of ourselves, simply so that we could get that beautiful quality time with our family and have a vacation. Now that we are here in 2020, we've all had a long vacation of being with our loved ones. So we need to really give it a thought. Are we happy? Are we really feeling beautiful from within? If not, why? We have to find the answer within ourselves. As we always say, if you can't travel outside, travel inside. And that is where the answer to beauty lies as well. Travel inside. We all want to do the best for our loved ones, for our parents, for our siblings, show them the best side of us, prove ourselves to the world, and of course, show our friends what we are all about. And it can only be possible if we are beautiful inside out. It's very easy to aesthetically win hearts around the masses when you walk the ramp. But the moment you hold the mic in your hand and you start speaking, it's always the wisdom which shows, it's the humbleness, it's the inner beauty, irrespective of what you want to show, how well prepared you are, but it always emanates from within, from the heart. And that is why we say inner beauty is equally important then, along with outer beauty. So let's talk about, when you talk of beauty, aesthetics, we take very well care of aesthetics, of course, right after trying and, taking a look after our aesthetic appeal, the face, the way we talk, the way we present ourselves, the way our personalities, and of course, the crowning glory, the hair, that's the invisible crown, because that's what you wear all the time. That's your natural hair. So you've got to take care of your aesthetic appeal. And at the same time, make sure, how do you actually become good or beautiful from within? We are very lucky in a country like India. The upbringing we have is always in a joint family. And it's really, I think we've all underestimated, the feeling and of course the positivity of being in a joint family, right from, the rituals and right from the culture that is imbibed in us. It's much, much easier. It very, very well welcomes in a joint family because we have to follow certain rituals, certain cultures. And of course, they are very well imbibed in us. We have the value of really considering other person first in a joint family. But with someone like me who's been brought up in a very liberal family, in a linear family, again, we have to really work on this. So it is the parents' responsibility. It is the teachers who really teach us, who are our gurus. Besides our parents, our gurus are also our teachers. And it's the great moral values and the spiritual values which can make us beautiful, true human beings. So my focus here today is on beauty. It's going to be both aesthetic as well as inner beauty. But I'm going to request you all to feel free to ask me any questions you feel like. Talking of aesthetic beauty, yes, we need to really believe in being as natural as we can, because that is what our ancestors taught us. That is what everyone who believed in natural beauty truly survives. The very, very best example is where I was on the red carpet of the Filmfare Awards 2020 this year on the 15th of February, where for the first time in 65 years, Filmfare went out of Mumbai city to Guwahati. And right after coming back from there on the 18th was the Nykaa Femina Beauty Awards 2020, where of course I got a chance to meet everybody on the red carpet. I'm going to talk about someone who I feel is a goddess for me. That's Katrina Kaif. And when we really talk about beauty, we do talk about, of course, right from, the collection to the aesthetic appeal to your favorite fragrance. But the most important aspect is, what is your natural beauty tip? And trust me, all the beauty queens who walk the ramp, all the beauty queens, we had beauty queens, from Miss Universe, Miss UK and the likes. They always take care the natural way. We could probably promote brands, and of course do the best we can. But at home, we all believe in really living and having actually a very simple life with the beauty routine that we follow in a very, very natural manner. So as much as possible, I know we are all having busy schedules. We're all on our toes 24/7 and not really thinking, haldi ka doodh, मनप्रीत आप लगाते हैं क्या? सच बताना हमें. जरूर जरूर. ये सारे राज आज फाश होने वाले हैं. So thank you very much to all of you for That's a secret for giving us this wondrous, wondrous feeling of being one with you all. So as much as possible, please stick to the naturals. For aesthetic beauty, if the need arises, you can always have options. The options are always there, but the best and the foremost, which will be with you forever, is the natural beauty. Please just have some basic routine. If not every day, once a week is also good enough, would be really wonderful for you, your skin, your hair, and of course, your personality. Yoga, we all are in love with yoga as much as possible, even 3 minutes of yoga, just the cleansing will really work wonders for your skin as well. And of course, give you that confidence because it's also going to add on your mental health as well. So please, it's just a matter of 3 minutes, 5 minutes, which really works wonders. And of course, the most important is the entire personality. So when you really go for a beauty pageant, they always look at your entire personality. And this is what the best answer given by Ms. Shashmita Sen when she was asked on a talk show with Karan Johar, that do you think you really deserve the title more than Aishwarya Rai? I want you guys to go and check out for yourselves on the net. What did she answer? She said, yes, I truly think that I deserve the title simply because I know she's extremely beautiful, but because I was the best version of myself. And this is what works in every arena. Today, you might be the best version of yourself at this point of time. It depends on which platform you have to yourself. Being aware, being mindful, which really works at every point of time. I just judged a beauty pageant day before yesterday, Miss Gujarat, Teen Gujarat, and Mrs. Gujarat. And I did mention to them towards the beginning of the pageant, you might be fabulous in every endeavor you do. You might have been really amazing at the talent contest. But if you are not yourself with your 100% self, if you have even a percentage of comparison or jealousy, it will show on your face. It will show the way you perform, the way you walk, and the way you show us your confidence. So this is the time for all of you to only think about yourself. Don't even speak to others because I want you to be focused. And at the same time, make sure that whoever you believe in, wherever or whoever you have faith in, it could be divine love, it could be your parents, it could be your loved one. Just close your eyes and breathe deep and just surrender yourself to them so that you are the best version of yourself. And then whatever happens, just leave it on destiny. And it's the best way to even lead life. And this is what being aware is all about. Being beautiful inside out is all about. And trust me, it really works wonders. So when we are thinking about beauty, you have to feel beautiful from within. And we can only feel beautiful if we are pure by heart. We have the great moral values. One very simple thing in life is remove anger out of our system. Is it possible to do that? We don't have any external factors affecting us for all these great 7 months. We started working since the past 1 month. But is it possible? Yes, it is. Removing anger from the system, I think, is the easiest. You will always remain serene. You'll always have that peace of mind. Happiness will always surround you because you are here to give everyone. We've all learned the art of living. It's time for all of us to also learn the art of giving, and that will give you natural happiness. And what more do I have to tell to all the beautiful Rotarians? Because you are all beautiful souls going through this beautiful experience of being a Rotarian where you all believe in selfless service. And I'm truly fortunate to be with all of you, beautiful souls who do so much of service for the humanity, for the society at large. And trust me, it's not just about your soul being happy. It's about your physical, mental, holistic being, which is completely being happy and you're doing the most out of your life. And this is such a wondrous way where I get an opportunity to truly come in and tell you about being beautiful. So I'm truly lucky and fortunate to have such beautiful souls around me. I must definitely mention this to Mr. Sunil Mehra and of course to Shilpi Mehra as well and to everyone who is here with us, that the path you're all leading is the right one. We just have to plan our lives out in such a way that we are well balanced with our family, with our work, with the work that we do for the masses, That's very important, humanitarian work, and be, of course, a little philosophical at the same time to follow your passions. Life is very simple for me. If you want to be beautiful inside out, I follow these 2 rules in life. Either you do what you love to do the most, what you're passionate about. There are hardly 2% or 5% people who actually get to do what they're passionate about. If you are the lucky one, good for you, congratulations. But if you are the one who's really got to do something that you're not really passionate about, at the same time, that's the need of the hour. So maybe you need to work on your finances. You need finance at home. And you really need to work on your entrepreneurship, or you need to just do your job well. Then fall in love with every single thing you're doing. That will bring a major change in your life. You will be beauty every way possible, and you will just be there to serve everyone to their fullest. Trust me, when you believe in serving others, you're automatically serving yourselves. Everything will come on your platter. And this is what we say, beautiful inside out. And when we tell people, oh my God, she's a very busy person, she works 24/7, it's not work. It's always your passion and your love. And when it's your passion, what you're doing, whether it's your passion or you fall in love with what you do, then it's not work, it's party time. So right now, this is party time for all of us, because I want each and every one of you to really love yourself, to have some time. We've all traveled within ourselves out of sheer compulsion because we had no choice to not travel outside, but travel inside. And if we haven't traveled inside, then what better than the Festival of Lights? It's the beautiful festival where we all need to travel ourselves within and bring that brightness and lightness from within. So thank you so much. I'm here to answer your questions or anything you're looking forward to. It's absolutely my pleasure.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सिमरन जी, आपने बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें कही और ब्यूटी के बारे में, दिल के जो अंदर से ब्यूटी है वो अलग ही हम लोग अनुभव करते हैं। ये चीज मैंने भी देखा। अभी परसों ही मैं एक छोटे से गांव में गया था, वाड़ा पे, जहाँ पे हमने कुछ ट्री प्लांटेशन किए थे और गांव वाले ने हमको इनवाइट किया था। हम गए, गांव के जो छोटे बच्चे, बुजुर्ग, महिलाएं, उन्होंने इतने दिल से हमारा स्वागत किया, जैसे एक बारात का स्वागत होता है उससे कहीं ज्यादा मतलब उन्होंने स्वागत हमारे रोटेरियन का किया। और करीब 4 घंटे हमने उस गांव में बिताए। मुझे इतना सुकून शायद कोई फिल्म देख के या कोई और अच्छा प्रोग्राम देख के मुझे इतनी खुशी नहीं हुई जितना मुझे उनके साथ में अपना वो समय व्यतीत करने में, मतलब मुझे बहुत ही सुखद अनुभव हुआ। और 3.5 घंटे की ड्राइव करके हम लोग गए और ऐसा लगा कि बस यही जिंदगी है, यही इनके साथ ही रहना चाहिए और यही ब्यूटी है, ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ वहीं पे हमने देखी। इस शहर में कुछ भी आप पिक्चर देख लो, ये देख लो, अलग चीज है, लेकिन जो दिल से आपको जो खुशी हुई, मुझे जाके, हम लोग के 4 मेंबर गए थे, वी रियली एंजॉयड एंड फेल्ट वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दैट डे। उसका मतलब कोई भी ये जवाब नहीं है उसका। तो हाँ जी, बहुत बहुत मतलब अच्छा लगा। और मेंबर्स सिमरन जी आपके सामने है, किसी को कोई भी सवाल है तो प्लीज अपना अपना सवाल पूछिए।
सर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। सबसे पहले तो कहना चाहूंगी कि बस यही है ना, मुझे यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सेइंग याद आ रही है सेंट मिर्दात की, जिन्होंने कहा है, इट इज द लॉ ऑफ लाइफ, यू लिव दैट यू मे लर्न टू लव, यू लव दैट यू मे लर्न टू लिव, देयर इज नो अदर रीजन। सो बस ये वही बात है कि जहाँ हमें प्यार और मोहब्बत मिले, जितना हम दे सकें हमें उतना ही मिलेगा। और ये मुझे बेखूबी से आप सबको कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि रोटेरियंस तो इतने खूबसूरत है। सुनील मेहरा जी, आपके बारे में मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि आपने रेखा जी के बारे में पूछा, ऑफ कोर्स शी इज अ बॉर्न गॉडेस, मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी। एंड आई बी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू हैविंग मेट हर एट द वेरियस फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स, क्योंकि शी इज द वन who's attended maximum filmfare awards शायद शुरू से लेकर। and when we had this question, the red carpet of the filmfare award, and this was the Reliance Digital Filmfare Award, तो उन्होंने यही बात इतनी खूबसूरती से की थी। Of course, she's a goddess, and the way she carries herself with elegance and the sophistication is absolutely not comparable to anyone. So I'm sorry, I know you are extremely fond of her and a big fan of her. So are we, and we always look forward to her. So she's also a supreme goddess, I would say, Rekha ji. Sunil Mehra ji, shukriya. Yes, please, let's go ahead if you have to ask me anything.
Simran, this is Rotarian Vishal Thakkar. Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah. I want to understand your know about your journey from you studied finance and then you landed up and became Miss India. So
Right.
what was that journey? How this happened actually?
Yeah.
Taking finance as your subject, and maybe you must have thought something in finance. You wanted to do something in that. So how this journey happened?
I always knew that I have to earn good. Okay, so that was always there in my mind, and so whatever I chose in my life, was with that frame of mind that I have to learn good. And I must say that again I come from a family where beauty pageant is a no-no, dancing is a no-no, and I've been the recipient of 18 consecutive Ras Garba titles in India and America, and that's what my film is about, Dance Like a Goddess, where this caption was given to me by the Times of India publication in 2014, where I had my photograph, they had clicked my picture and had the caption "Dance Like a Goddess." And so this was the background. I just wanted to satisfy my parents at the same time, try for something I'm passionate about. So in the beginning, of course, I just knew that yes, I have to earn money, and that is all of what I knew. So I always knew that from my left brain that I want to do something where I'm going to have a good income for myself, so that I can look after my folks and give a good life to my folks. Just the way everyone thinks. At the same time, it was my right of the brain saying that no, this is not for me. I'm not born for this. But because I was forced to go ahead and follow my academic and
Yeah.
be an academician,
Yeah.
because my mom never went to school, but she always mentioned to us that I always want you guys to be double graduated, could be MBA. So everyone in my house is double graduate. We all siblings, just because she wanted us to be well educated. And that is the reason. But at the same time, I would follow my passions as well. There was a time when, of course, I was doing a job I didn't enjoy, but still I did it with so much of passion and so much of love that people appreciated my work even then. But I knew that I'm not born to do this. So I even did my entrepreneurship in aviation, where I became an entrepreneur on my own. But I said, no, I'm not having fun. I think I'm really enjoying myself somewhere else. But I've tried simultaneously everything, not thinking about, what's the time at this hour, trying to leave my house at 4:45 in the morning, go to college, go for my aerobic classes, which I could take in town, not thinking about small and big, because I come from a very small place that is Kopri Gaon, that's Thane East. That's where I've been brought up.
Oh.
And of course, now that I'm here in proper Mumbai city, in Powai, Goregaon, and Andheri, of course, but things are different now. So it's just that when I had that thing, and I'm going to even give this advice to everyone: if you're following your passion and you think it's not involved a lot with money, with finance, then please have your plan B. You will never have trouble. You will never have to take up something or have a situation where you're stressed out for finance. And I think being financially independent is very important for a guy as well as for a girl in every phase of life. So I've been brought up in such a way that mom said that you don't work is okay, you don't earn money is okay, but you need to really be capable enough of earning money at any point of time in life, whatever situation you have. And that is the reason I wanted to make the most out of it. I scored highest in finance
Oh,
when
that's
I was
good.
at my Sydenham's Institute. And even when I asked my parents about my mom, especially because my mom is a decision taker at home,
Okay.
I want to participate in a pageant, her answer was no. And
Okay.
I went against her wish, trying to give in my best,
Okay.
trying to do every bit I can, earning my own money a little bit, doing my part-time job and doing my best. And that is how I always had finance. And I'm very proud that at least I have a degree. So I don't have to listen to people. So when I have my film just released before the pandemic, Zindagi Tumse, that's my Bollywood debut film.
Oh, that's
And
great.
it's gone on the OTT platform the same day as we had release of Shemaru, Dance Like a Goddess. And my music album also launched the same day, the 5th day of Navratri
Oh,
on
that's good.
Thursday. That's Garba Gujarat. So everything happened on the same day. So when people used to call me for films, they used to tell me, "Ye role hai." I was very specific, that I don't want. I personally, I don't think there's any harm, but I personally wouldn't like to do such roles or play such roles, and this is what I'm looking for. And they said, "Do you think you can demand by not having experience at all? I mean, this is just your first movie." I said, "I'm really fine because I'm very happy hosting events. Till the time I don't get my kind of role, I'm very happy in my space." So I think that confidence you only get when you have a plan B and you have some backup career with you. You will go and flaunt yourself. And by God's grace, 3 years back, I got this movie Zindagi Tumse, which released last year, December. And now my second movie is on release, 30% shoot is left. So I think that is the reason I've done this and that, this and that. And yesterday I had a brilliant interview. I'm also doing, during the pandemic, I've become a television talk show host for TV Asia. TV Asia channel, which was initially started by our forever legend, Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. Now it's handled by HR Shah, which is in USA, Mexico, and Canada. So I have my show coming thrice a week. And I've already, tonight at 10 p.m. is my 94th episode with the Bollywood stars. So with all the beautiful experiences I've had from them, I asked them, how is it that, you know, she is the future actress of Suryavanshi, which is releasing right now, of Ranbir Kapoor Suryavanshi movie. And I said, how is it that you are, you know, a surgeon, a heart surgeon, at the same time, you are a Bollywood actress as well? She said, you know, when Ajay Devgan asked me the same question, I told him, if you could split on 2 different bikes and balance yourself well, or 2 different cars, then why can't we girls balance ourselves by having 2 different careers? And I think that was a great answer, which just happened last night at 11 p.m. My interview with her, and we just laughed it out, you know, live in the show, saying that, oh my God, this is really hilarious. So I think everyone, be it a guy or a girl, we're all capable of doing several things. And gone are the days when we used to stick to the routine of only working 8 hours or 10 hours. We're working 24/7 round the clock with the digital world. So sorry, the answer was long, but I just wanted to put it across to everyone that please have a plan B. Always have a plan B, and you'll always be smiling.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Manpreet. Hi, sweetheart.
Simran, hi. This is Hiral from Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South. I don't have any question, dear, for you, but I have some like one memory to share with you. I think so. You hosted this Mrs. Mulund competition in 2019, if I'm not like.
With 88 girls? 88 girls?
Yeah, girl.
Honorable Minister, yes, of course.
3 different rounds were there: Miss Mulund, Mrs. Mulund, and above 40 that Mrs. Mulund somewhere. So I was the one of the finalists from top 5 finalists in Mrs. Mulund category. And I saw you the way you hosted. I like really heads up, and thank you so much. I really enjoyed the whole show. Like.
So kind of you.
You were full of energy that evening.
How kind. Very kind of you. Truly appreciate it. And this was, in fact, sir called me, you know, I'm talking of our, you know, our honorable MLA, if I'm not mistaken.
Prakash Gangadhar,
yes,
right?
Prakash sir. Just
right.
a week, 2 weeks back, we just happened to talk to each other, and he said, you know, this year also I'm planning a pageant. I said, sir, I haven't seen, you know, for the grand finale, 88 contestants. So it happened with you, and I remember it, and it was absolutely rocking, and all of you were outstanding. So this is all about celebration of life, you know, where you all celebrate, you know, oneness. I mean, though we are all competing, at the same time, we are being ourselves, but at the same time, we're celebrating life. So hats off to you lovely girls that we didn't have fights tonight, and everything was really super smooth. So congratulations to you, and thank you so much, sweetheart. Lovely meeting you here.
Thank
And
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Simran ji, I don't have any question, but I would like to add one line of introduction which Manpreet has missed. You are the ambassador for our Rotary Club of Mumbai Ghatkopar.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Yes.
So, you know, the beautiful youngsters, it started from my dear friend, you know, and she just mentioned it to me. So this is going on since 3 years now. So as much as possible, you know, I get this opportunity. In fact, sir, they were the ones, let me tell you, I've even been a part of Rotary Club in Sri Lanka, because they were the ones who connected me there. And I've also done, yeah, Garba workshop there with the Vela something, you know, Rotary Club of Wellington. I don't remember. So they were the ones who connected me, and I've met several of them wherever I go for an international, because I keep traveling throughout the world. So they always make it a plan to connect me to all of them. So very, very kind of Suchi, I'm talking of.
Suchi,
yeah, I started from her and then passed on. So that's very, very kind of everyone. But I'm a part of several Rotary, you know, different groups as well. So I've been very fortunate. In fact, recently hosted an award too, and of course with Sonu Suji, where I met Sunil Mehra ji. I was there with Sonu Suji. We did that for the Rotary as well.
And our college, Junjunwala College students also always remembers you.
So kind of you. We had that
It was
wonderful
a-
friendship. Thank you for all the love.
Yeah.
I think I'm meeting my family
Simranji.
today. Yes, please.
Simranji, we have one question from our DG,
Yes.
Sunil Bhai.
Yes, sir.
What would you say is the distinction between beauty of the brain and the beauty of the physical form? Did not know.
No, that's
you
okay,
stay
that's
at
okay.
Mumbai. Right, that's the person. Yeah. So what would you say is the distinction between beauty of the brain and the beauty of physical form? From question from Sunil Mehraji.
Sure. You don't have to take Sunil Mehra's question. That's everyone's question. उनके दिल की बात है. Manpreet ने भी वही कहा. Why is it that beauty differs from a guy's perspective and girl's perspective? सबका आंसर यही है.
सुनील जी ने ना मेरा सवाल घुमा फिरा के पूछ लिया.
मैं actually पूछने वाली थी, चांस के लिए वेट कर रही थी, बट मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी that it's always the aesthetic appeal first. It's always the aesthetic appeal. So no matter, वो बाद में आता है कि हम किसी का दिल जानते हैं and we fall in love with the person. But first and foremost is always the personality. It's always the aesthetic appeal. तो मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी बहुत जरूरी है. आजकल के जमाने में where we are living in this really amazing world, you could have zero brains and you could still be a superstar. Because you can do kind of music videos. You could just be a beautiful looking person and still have, maximum views than someone who is beautiful by heart, and which is the truth of life. ये बिल्कुल सच्चाई है जिंदगी की. You can always, just by having, no brains at all also and not using your brains. Maybe you have brains and you don't want to use it and you just want to use, your aesthetics. Absolutely, you can do wonders and actually, earn also much more, and of course, have a bigger fan following than someone who has brains with lesser beauty. So and that is the truth of life. So let's all accept it and try and be beautiful aesthetically as well. So yeah, but this is the truth of life and which will always be there.
Anybody else? Any question? Any more questions?
But I'm also going to say this, at this point of time, that when you don't have inner beauty, तो ये problem आता है जो हम mental की बात करते हैं, mental health का trouble करते हैं, that has a lot to do with inner beauty as well. We always say that, we have, we get into depression. That has a lot to do with inner beauty. So please, always, little bit up and down is fine, but the extremes, I don't mind you're a brainy, but at the same time, look good. There's no harm in looking good and flaunting yourself, and you're all born beautiful, so why not? And everything is on the tip of our finger these days, whether it's got to do with lose weight, look beautiful, have a great skin, have great hair. So just go and just flaunt yourself. And zaruri nahi hai, main kehti hu sabse zaruri nahi hai sleep for 8 hours. You can sleep for 4 hours, do just few minutes of yoga and still look fresh and flaunt yourself.
मोदी जी से मिलके तो नहीं आ रहे?
हाँ, मिलके आ रही हूँ ना, because I receive a letter from Prime Minister's office for conducting yoga every year for 6 consecutive International Yoga Day celebrations. So yeah, ये वहीं से आ रहा है. But I've been very fortunate enough of having taken consistent 200 workshops during the lockdown period with 0.2 million people. So 2 lakh log, Japanese se leke, people who are not on Facebook joined Facebook to do 108 Surya Namaskars with us, along with the chanting of names of 108 names of Sun God. So we had people from, South America and people from all the countries, 2 lakh people doing 108 Surya Namaskars together, where I went live. I'm the brand ambassador for Country Club. So that is how. So I think yoga आपकी life बिल्कुल बदल सकता है. 3 minutes भी अगर हम योगा करते हैं ना, तो it becomes a way of life and things really change.
Yeah, Simran, can I ask you one question?
Very well, absolutely.
Yeah, good evening and congratulations. Happy to see you where you are today. My question is, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
That's very interesting, and that calls, where I need to think from my left brain. So people tell me, यार आप finance के हो, लेकिन finance बिल्कुल सोचते नहीं हो आप. And this is where I genuinely don't plan to get into that zone. I believe I think it's a flaw also. I can easily say that. Having studied, my masters, of course, this was the first thing on day one where they teach us is planning, you know, the SWOT analysis, but I don't really plan that way. I plan my life the way it comes, and I just try and be my best version. I haven't really given it a thought. I never knew that after, you know, like I won the pageant in 2013, and you know, my beauty pageant. So I never knew that after 4 years, I'm going to get an offer in Bollywood, which is going to be the film that I want to act in, where my family is going to accept me the way, you know, I'm going to get a film. So I think I just wait for the right time. I put in effort. I'm doing a film launch this Friday, you know, at a beautiful place, Sin City, with Jackie Shroff, sir, where he's playing the role. And we have, you know, good star cast. And, you know, the moment he spoke to me today, he's saying, you know, Simran, I've been trying to chase you. He knows me. I've done web series with him, but I have something which is the role of your types. So, you know, I'm just open to everything which comes my way, but I haven't really thought of this simply because, you know, the 5-year thing, because I'm the one who believes in surrendering myself completely to the faith that I have in. So I am the one who deliberately tells, you know, everybody that I don't think what's happening tomorrow. So when Manpreet would call me yesterday, when he called me yesterday or a couple of days back, so for example, when he called me a few days back, I have no idea what I'm going to do, because I had my show before this. I went live with the Unimo group at 5:30. So I'm going to think only with Unimo at that point of time. So now when it's time for this show, I'm going to think about this show. I have 10 o'clock, my US show. I'm going to think. I live life, you know, from that perspective in the moment, and I've given my best every moment. But I haven't really thought, because whatever I decided in my life, that I'm going to be somewhere as an MBA, you know, working in a nice place, I've got those offers. And I've told all of them to wait for 3 to 4 years, because I said I'm doing very well in my phase right now, and I will come to all of you later. So I don't know where life is going to take me, but I'm very open. And I don't want to have a pre-decision in my mind that this is what I want, this is where I want to reach, because I give in my 100% every time. So I'm sorry, this is a little bit dissatisfying answer, but and it doesn't work with everybody or anybody. In fact, people really bombard me and tell me that, Simran, you're doing wrong. But I've always lived this way. And I think I like being a free bird who just loves to fly and, you know, leave the entire buck on someone else and do my best.
Yeah, Simran, I think I got the answer. You are so ambitious and so bubbly that we wish you all the best, and you will achieve great heights. Best to you.
Thank you so much. So kind of you for your kind words. I don't deserve them for this answer, for sure.
Singla, before we go ahead, I'd like to invite Mickey to say a word.
Sure.
Yeah, Mickey ji.
Hi, good evening, and thank you, Simran, for being with us on this wonderful day. You make me remember 29 years back when I saw the movie Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. The girl was Simran, और एक गाना था, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम. सचमुच पूरी बहारें आपने 29 साल पहले की आज वापस लिया थी. You speak very well. Congratulations, and God bless you with all the very best in life. My blessings are there with you. I would lovely and really like to see you as a supermodel of India, teaching the people, teaching the brethren over here how to live life, a good life, with beauty inside. Beauty, they say, is skin deep. But your words spoke about beauty, and your words told us what beauty is all about. Thank you very much for being with us. I appreciate it.
I'm truly overwhelmed. Humble thanks to you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
हाँ, सिमरन जी, आपको हमारे बीच में पाके हमको सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपने दिल से बातें की, यानी एज ए स्पीकर नहीं, आपने जो दिल की बातें थी ना, दिल से बातें की, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. और हम अपने आपको आज एक गेस्ट के हिसाब से नहीं, हमारी फैमिली मेंबर के हिसाब से रोटरी में आपका पूरा स्वागत करते हैं, और एकदम बहुत अच्छा लगा. और जैसे ही ये लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होगा, हम आपको हमारे क्लब में एक बार फिजिकल मीटिंग में ज़रूर इनवाइट करेंगे. जैसे ही ये लॉकडाउन की बंदिश ख़त्म होगी, हम अभी से आपको हमारे क्लब में आने का निमंत्रण देते हैं. और अभी मैं मुलुंड क्लब के क्लब सेक्रेटरी विशाल ठक्कर जी से प्रार्थना करूंगा कि वो आज का वोट ऑफ थैंक्स करें.
थैंक यू सर. मुझे जब वोट ऑफ थैंक्स बोलने के लिए बोला गया था, तो मैंने राजेश जी का दोपहर को फोन आया था, मुझे बोला गया कि भाई मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ और आपको वोट ऑफ थैंक्स देना है। मैं ड्राइव कर रहा था और मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। और जैसे ही मैंने अभी वीडियो चालू किया, सिमरन जी को देखा, मेरे पूरे बैठे बैठे एकदम पसीने निकल गए कि भाई मुझे वोट ऑफ थैंक इनको देना है। क्योंकि मैं सिमरन जी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं पहले तो खाली आपको देख रहा था, आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट द ब्यूटी, एंड नाउ आई नो व्हाट इज मिस इंडिया एंड व्हाई यू आर मिस इंडिया। पहले तो मैं आपको देखते हैं, मैं बोला ब्यूटी इज सच अ फैंटास्टिक, यू आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, आई हैव टू से, नो डाउट अबाउट इट। जो आपने बातें की तो खुले मन से, यू वर नॉट इवन लुकिंग एट एनीथिंग, यू जस्ट स्पोक व्हाट इट केम टू योर, so it shows that how beautiful soul you are. So we are very grateful. We had a great time. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको बहुत कम टाइम मिला और आपको you should be keep talking a lot because we really had a great time. One of the best thing you said about is most of the people do mistake is they run after something materialistic thing, but one should run after passion. The happiness lies in passion. So thank you so much for sharing these messages. We all look forward for having you in our meeting, regular meeting from all of us. Thank you so much. Back to you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you विशाल जी। मैं हमारे डीजी आज के हमारे चीफ गेस्ट नील मेहरा जी का भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ, शिल्पी जी का भी, कैप्टन अशोक, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरी अशोक सिंह जी, और मेरे जितने भी को प्रेसिडेंट है सिद्धार्थ जी, अग्रवाल जी नहीं आए, उनकी जगह पे मुलुंड क्लब के विशाल ठक्कर जी है, और जितने भी रोटेरियन चारों क्लब के रोट्रैक्टर स्पाउसेज, और खास करके सिमरन जी का सबसे फिर तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं, और सबको आने वाली दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, और सिमरन जी को उनकी आने वाली फिल्म के लिए बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। और इसी के साथ ये आज की मीटिंग समाप्त करते हुए गुड नाइट एवरीवन एंड आई एडजॉर्न दिस। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर अटेंडिंग। गुड इवनिंग।
Thank you, Singla ji. Thank you, Ghatkopar.
Thank
Bye-bye,
you,
Simran ji.
everyone.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Good to see you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sunil bhai. Thank you, Shilpi ji.
Sunil, good night.
Good night, everybody.
थैंक यू सब लोग का धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Simran.
Thank you.